Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Explorer.exe Not Starting with your Windows. If you don't know what is Windows Explorer means, Windows Explorer is basically your taskbar, your desktop icon. It's your user interface. To fix this issue, you just need to follow me. Firstly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then you can see your task manager open. Then click on files. Then click on run new task. Then type Explorer right here. Then click on OK. Then your task manager and desktop icons are restored. But this method is temporary. Now let's see how to fix this issue permanently. Press Windows button plus R using your keyboard. Then type regedit. Then click on OK. Now you can see register editor interface. Then follow my steps one by one. First, click the drop down button on the current user. Then drop down on the software. Again drop down on the Microsoft. Again drop down on the Windows NT. Now current version. Finally click on the Win Logon. Now you can see this view on the right side. You can see few files on there. Then you can find a file named as shell. Right click on that. Then click on delete. Then click on yes. After complete all my steps, restart your PC or laptop. If you following all my steps, you can definitely fix your issue. I hope this video is very useful you guys. See you next video. Thank you.